If you're seeing the disk write error on Steam, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to downloading and updating your games. This error usually means Steam is blocked from writing data to your drive, and in 2026 that can happen because of permission issues, a corrupted download cache, Windows 11 storage security, or even a drive problem. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, we're going to start with the quickest refresh fixes inside Steam itself. Open Steam, then go to Settings and click on Downloads. Here, you'll find the Clear Download Cache option. Click it and confirm the prompt. This is important because Steam can sometimes get stuck on corrupted temporary files or those annoying 0 kilobyte ghost files that prevent new data from being written properly. Once the cache is cleared, Steam may ask you to sign in again, so just log back in and continue. Next, go to Steam Settings again and open Storage. Select the drive where your games are installed, then click the three dots next to it and choose Repair Folder. This step is very useful because it can reset folder permissions and repair the library structure so Steam can write to the folder again. If the folder permissions were damaged or changed by Windows, this can often solve the issue immediately. Now do a full restart of Steam with administrator privileges. Completely close Steam first, making sure it is not still running in the system tray. Then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permission to access protected folders and write files more freely. If the disk write error was caused by a simple access issue, this alone may fix it. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is file permissions on the Steam folder itself. Open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder, which is usually C:\program files x86 /Steam. Find the Steam apps folder, then right-click it and choose Properties. Under the General tab, look for the Read-Only attribute. If it is checked, uncheck it and click Apply. Windows may ask if you want to apply changes to the folder and its contents, so make sure you confirm that. After that, switch to the Security tab. Click Edit, then find your Windows user account in the list. Make sure full control is allowed. If it isn't, check the box and apply the change. This step matters because even if Steam is installed correctly, your user account may not have the right permission to modify the game files inside the folder. Now, let's talk about a newer issue that affects a lot of people in 2026, Windows 11 storage gating. Recent security changes can block applications from writing to storage unless they are explicitly allowed. To check this, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. If controlled folder access is turned on, Windows may be blocking Steam from saving files. In that case, click Allow an app through controlled folder access and add Steam.exe manually. If you see a Windows identity or PIN prompt while trying to update or install a game, do not ignore it. Authorize it right away. In some cases, failing to approve that prompt can cause Steam to be blocked instantly and trigger the disk write error. So if a security approval appears, complete it before trying the download again. If the issue still continues, we need to check your drive health. If the error happens across multiple games and not just one, your drive may have file system corruption or bad sectors. To check and repair the drive, open Command Prompt as Administrator, then type CHKDSK:/F, but remember to replace C with the drive letter where your Steam library is installed. Press Enter, then restart your computer when Windows asks you to. During startup, Windows will scan the drive and try to repair file system errors automatically. Also, make sure you have enough free space on the drive. A good rule is to leave at least 10 to 15% of the drive free. If an SSD is too full, it may struggle to write new data properly, and Steam downloads can fail with a disk write error. Free up some space by deleting unused files, uninstalling old games, or moving large content to another drive. If you've tried all of these steps, go back and test Steam again by starting a small download or updating one game. In many cases, the combination of clearing the cache, repairing the library folder, fixing permissions, and allowing Steam through Windows security will solve the problem completely. If not, the CHKDSK scan and drive space check usually reveal the deeper issue. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Steam disk write error quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more useful troubleshooting guides like this one. And if you want, I can also help you with other Steam errors, download issues, or Windows 11 fix videos next.